To transfer eSIM from a previous device to Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, first of all, you will need to open settings on your phone. Next step is to enter the connections, go to SIM Manager and click on this plus button. After a moment of waiting, you'll be able to select a transfer eSIM from your Galaxy or Android phone. After that, we can click on OK. And then you will need to select other country, because this feature is only available for certain countries that you can see right here. If you cannot use it, then that means you will need to wait until your country or region is supported and perform the setup. But how it works is, if you have this, I don't have it, is you will see QR code on your screen. Then you need to scan this QR code with your other device with eSIM and follow instructions on screen. It will basically be next, next, next. So it's pretty easy. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.